We are going to be cleaning out my whole makeup room, which is a disaster. I have boxes up to like here, which is okay, whatever. We are gonna be moving soon, and let me lower this fucking sheet. Basically, I have to do a whole makeup closet clean out because we're moving in like what, 2 weeks?
About 2 weeks.
About 2 weeks. And my makeup room is covered in PR boxes. Sorry, my makeup room is covered in PR boxes that just keep piling and piling up. And I just need to get to it. And I, want to move very organized. So I want to clean up and get rid of whatever I need to get rid of now. So then it's really easy for the movers to come in and just move everything. And the good thing is I don't have to move any of the makeup in my makeup drawers. They said to leave everything in the drawers. I don't have to worry about it. So all the makeup I have in PR boxes right now, we're going to organize it tonight. Put some of them, the things I want, inside of the drawers and a stack for giveaway, because there's probably going to be a giveaway at the end of this video. I'm going to have like a pile of stuff I want to give away. So yeah, and the good thing is that I did organize the drawers when we moved back in January this year. Wow, crazy, we're moving literally a year apart. And everything is kind of categorized, like the drawers for the powders and the brows and all that stuff. So it's really just opening up the PR boxes, seeing what it is, and putting it where it belongs. So hopefully we can do it pretty quickly. It's currently 8:44 p.m. at night. It's pretty freaking late. But we decided to start this now. So we're just gonna do it. And you guys asked for like makeup organization YouTube videos. So I thought this fit perfectly. So we're just gonna do that. But before I do anything, I need to make myself a cup of coffee because it's gonna be a really long night. I can't wait to have a regular refrigerator in our new apartment. That's not this.
Yeah.
Okay, so a lot of ice. I like a lot of ice.
Oh.
I always chop ice. To this cup, we're gonna add a teaspoon of sugar, like that. And this is my favorite one, the Voltesso from, what do we have in Nespresso Machine? It's really good. You see, I love those. Ah, shit. All over the place. That's why I need coffee. And we're gonna let that go, and then we're gonna go into our fridge and get our necessities. So we need this.
Oat milk.
We need oat milk. We also need some type of creamer. I have this one from Chobani. It's a sweet cream, really, really good. And my Ready Whip sweet foam. Yeah, a lot of you guys ask where I find the sweet foam. Actually, I find it on Amazon Fresh. I know a lot of places don't like have Amazon Fresh delivered to them, but that's where we get it from ours. We haven't found it in the grocery stores at all besides Amazon Fresh. So if you have Amazon Fresh delivery near you, I recommend checking it out. Then we do some Starbucks blonde roast iced coffee because I think 2 shots of espresso is a little too strong, and this is not super strong. So I kind of just top it off with this because this isn't enough coffee for me. It's a weird combination, but it tastes fire. I swear. Okay, maybe a little more.
You already need that coffee then, I know.
Yeah. You want to share it?
Probably.
Okay. And then we're going to shake all your stuff before. The Chobani oat vanilla, very important that it's the vanilla one. It pairs really well with all the sweet foam and the cream and stuff. And we're just going to do a splash like that. That was a little too much. That's fine. And splash of the sweet cream from Chobani. I was like, oh my god, is it expired?
Ooh.
Yum. See, so I think I need a little bit more coffee. So I'd rather add more coffee later than add too much creamer, you know? Okay, now hold on, I need a spoon. Okay. This is like the color I like for my coffee.
Not too light, not too dark.
Not too dark, but I really wanted to just start drinking just straight up black coffee, no sugar, no cream, nothing. Just to try it, like a good cup of coffee. But if not, this is my go-to. Add the foam. I think we're almost out of foam. Can't do this. Don't judge me for what you're about to see in the makeup room. We're moving and it's just a lot of stress, you know, and this year has just been a shit year, so I'm allowed to have this mess, okay? So let's go.
She's warning you guys.
Yeah. All right, so don't be scared. The door doesn't even open. So obviously it's a mess, and this is what we're gonna pick up. We're just gonna reorganize everything so we can move in 2 weeks with a smooth, clean makeup room, and the movers don't judge me. So, let's get to cleaning.
Let's get to work.
Okay. But for the most part, this is gonna be a fast forward hyperlapse, so you can see it go from this to this. I'm gonna insert a footage of it all. Beautiful. So this is it. Okay, we're gonna put you guys on a tripod so you can enjoy, sit back, get a glass of wine. If you're into organization videos, this is for you. And if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the support, and let's get to cleaning. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna move all the boxes outside here in the room so Christian can go through and open the box and then hand me the makeup products, and I'll go in the closet and put the makeup where it belongs. Alright guys, this is what our current situation looks like in the makeup room. Just because the camera doesn't show you all that, it just shows you like this angle. Wow, that was creepy. But this is the mess right now. But we're getting there. We're fixing and we're organizing and we're getting there. Alright guys, here, my cat's on crazy catnip. Here is the result. Here is the last final box.
I never thought we'd get it here.
Organizing so much. And there's no more boxes in here. Just trash, lots of trash, but that's it. You guys, when I tell you I'm exhausted, we are so tired. It's 11:30 at night. I just finished cooking a really quick pasta for dinner because we didn't even eat dinner and we felt too lazy to like go out and get food. And Uber Eats and Postmates is just so expensive. So I was like, forget it. I'm just gonna make a really quick pasta. And we're done. I'm done. I set a whole bag aside for giveaways. I'm gonna show you guys everything so you guys can see it now. Literally, the whole mess is gone. There's literally no more. Everything's clean, just the cats have a bunch of toys everywhere. Tomorrow, Christian has like a little softball game with his friends. So I'm gonna tackle this whole drawer and just like organize my drawers in there and stuff like that. But as for the closet, it is done. Oh my goodness, you guys. I didn't think I'd see the day. Everything is organized. I reorganized my bins. This is like a whole skincare bin of like skincare products I want to try. And then, I don't know why my cat's catnip is in here. This is more products that I want to try that just came in. Some more skincare stuff. And this is more like some of my gear. So, my tripods, my other tripod, curling iron. My cameras always go up here. And, yeah, this 2 boxes are for giveaways. I don't know why the cat's toys are in here. It's a whole bag. I don't know if you guys can see. This is actually a really cute lash set. This is filled, super heavy, filled with makeup. So we're gonna do a giveaway over my Instagram channel. Make sure you're following me there. My handle and all that will be down in the description box. These are yoga mats and stuff, so I just leave that in here. My lights that I have right here. And that is literally it. It's clean, it's done. Up here we just have some like storage and stuff that we're taking to the new place. So, and I have like most of Christian's Christmas gifts hidden up there. So yeah, that's it. I have no more PR boxes anywhere. Everything is clean. We're exhausted. Let's go check on Christian. Whoa. Excuse you. You just finished dinner?
Yes.
What time is it right now? I literally need to see what time.
Are you filming it?
Yeah, we literally just ate. It is 11:35. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you commented, if you liked, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Ignore, I'm watching Friends in the background. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like organization videos like this, let me know, because we're moving into the new apartment and I'm gonna reorganize a lot of things there. So we can also do another video in the new apartment. I'm gonna vlog like the whole move out and going from here to the new place, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for helping. I love you so much. I was gonna do this by myself.
It's what
tomorrow.
I do. It's what I do.
He had a whole softball tournament and I was like, no, I'll just do it by myself tomorrow. Thank God that Christian helped me, you guys, because I would have been there for hours. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much. I love you, and I'm gonna go to bed because I'm exhausted. So bye.